Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 7 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition test 1, okay, page number 120. So if you have not watched the previous chapters, so you can go to the playlist section and also watch, okay. So here the first question here, make nouns from each of the following words, okay. So you have to add a suffix, okay, to make these words into noun, okay. So here the first mental, mentality, okay. So here first mentality. Then next question here, boy. Boy is a common noun, so you have to also change this noun into another form of noun, abstract noun. Boy, boyhood, okay. So here, so here the suffix is added hood, okay, boyhood. Then next question here, eminent, okay. So you have to also change this word into noun, eminent, okay. So here just you have to remove T and add C, eminence, okay, eminent, eminence. Then next question here, duke, okay. So duke is a common noun, so it's yes, abstract noun will be here dukedom, okay, like free, a freedom, a child, a childhood. So similarly here duke, dukedom. So here dom, this is known as a suffix, okay. Then next question here, okay, private. So here private, okay. So you have to change into noun, privacy, okay. Just you have to remove te and add cy in place of te, okay, privacy. Then next here apprentice, you have to change into noun, apprenticeship. Just you have to add ship, okay. Here this is known as suffix. Then next question here, responsible, okay, responsible, responsibility, responsibility, okay. Just you have to remove here le and add ility, responsibility, okay. So here the answer, responsibility, okay. Then next question here, generous. So generous is an adjective, okay. You have to change into noun, generosity, okay. Just you have to add here ity to make it, okay, noun. So here generosity. Then next here clever. Clever, this is an adjective, so you have to change into noun, cleverness. So just you have to add here suffix ness. So cleverness, this is an abstract noun, okay. Then next question here, slow. Slow, this is an adjective, so you have to change into noun. So just you have to add here suffix ness, ness, slowness. Clear? So here slowness, okay. So first mentality, mentality, boy, boyhood, eminent, eminence, duke, dukedom, private, privacy, apprentice, apprenticeship, okay. Then responsible, responsibility, generous, generosity, clever, cleverness, slow, slowness, okay. Then next here 2 number, give the collective nouns for the following. Yes, so here some nouns are provided, so you have to use what are the collective nouns used for these nouns, okay. So first one here people. So people, yes, crowd of people. So here you have to write crowd of people, okay. Then next here cars. So you can also a fleet of ship. We also use fleet for a group of ships. So similarly we can also use fleet for a group of cars, okay, fleet of cars. Then next you know puppies. Okay, yes, तो आज you know litter of puppies. तो litter is a collective noun, collective word that is used for the group of puppies. Then next you know stars. Okay, we can write galaxy of stars or you can also write a cluster of stars. Clear? Then next you know monkeys. Yes, we use you know collective word you know troop of monkeys. So troop you know troop refers to a group of monkeys. We use troop to indicate the group of monkeys. Then next you know drawers. Okay, yes, you know drawers we use chest of drawers. Okay, then next you know mushrooms. So here both word can be used okay for collective you know mushrooms. So you can write a troop, you can also write okay sproutness. Then next you know here cattle. So as you know cattle a herd of cattle. Then next you know students. Yes, so as you know a class of student. Then birds, okay, flock of birds. Clear? Clear? Then next here fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. Put cross where no articles are required. So you know here first one is dash mandals are coming for dash dinner tonight. Yes, you have to write here the mandals. Okay, definite article will be used here. And you know here for dash dinner tonight. So here no article will be used. Just you have to put a cross here. The next here dash mount is in dash Italy. Okay, so here you know first one will be cross. Mount you know Mount Etna is in Italy. Don't write here the Mount it. You know the Mount Everest. This will be wrong. Mount Everest, not the Mount Everest. Clear? So here have to use okay cross for both the blanks. Mount Etna is in Italy. Okay. So here no article will be used for the first one and also second one. As you know here country, before country we don't use like the India. This will be wrong. But before you know the USA, the UK can be used. The UAE. Okay. Then next question here you know dash stitch. Yes, dash stitch in dash time save 9. A stitch in time save 9. Okay. So you have to put a cross here. Then next here dash Andes is the longest mountain range in the world. The Andes. So you have to use your the definite article and here again the definite article will be used here. Okay. Then next year dash Oscars was previously. So as you know before the name of you know prestigious awards, the Nobel Prize, the Padma Bhushan, the Padma Vibhushan. So similarly here the Oscars was. So you have to use your the definite article and also here again the Academy Awards. Clear? The both here you have to use both definite article here the Oscars and also the Academy Awards. Clear? Then next here underline the pronouns in the following sentences. Identify their types. Yes, so first you have to underline the pronoun and you have to then you have to mention their types. The first one you know I am going to the market to get myself some food. Okay, so, you know here first one you know I is known as a subjective personal pronoun and me is known as objective personal pronoun. So you have to first underline I and then you have to mention personal pronoun. Then here another pronoun also in this sentence myself. So you know here myself is emphatic. Emphatic you know to put more emphasis on subject we use emphatic pronoun. This is not reflexive. Okay, I am going to the market to get. So if you want to know which one is reflexive and which one is emphatic, just you have to remove the pronoun. So here it makes a complete sentence. I am going to the market to get some food. So here myself is written because you know to put more emphasis to the subject. Okay, so you know myself will be consider as here emphatic pronoun. Clear? Then next question here, they are all happy to be done with test. So you know there are two pronouns in this sentence. So you know here the first one they you know subjective personal pronoun. Okay, then second you know here all happy. All you know this is known as indefinite pronoun. Okay, indefinite. Clear? The first you know they personal pronoun, personal you know subjective pronoun and here all you know indefinite pronoun. Clear? Then next here when did you take out the crush, there is only one pronoun, you. This is yes, personal pronoun. Then next here, I myself would like to find out who is behind this. There are four pronouns in this sentence. I, subjective personal pronoun. Then similarly here, if you want to know the grammatical status of myself, so if you want to know whether myself is emphatic or reflexive, just you have to put a cross here. I would like to find out who is behind this. So it makes a complete sense if you remove myself. So here myself will be considered as emphatic, not reflexive. Okay. So here myself emphatic. Would like to find out who. Yes, right. So here who is known as relative pronoun. Okay. Then who is behind this? So here this is known as demonstrative pronoun. Clear? So there are four pronouns. I subjective personal pronoun, myself emphatic pronoun, who is relative pronoun. This is known as demonstrative pronoun. Clear? The next question here, the man who visited us last night is our new neighbor. There are also two pronouns. First who is relative pronoun, because here antecedent is the man. Here who is used for the man. Okay. Here who will be considered as a relative pronoun, and us this is known as personal objective pronoun. Clear? Then next here, read the following sentences, choose the correct option from the given ones. Here Nitin plays the piano. There are two options given, transitive verb or intransitive verb. So if there is an object in a sentence, so that the verb will be considered as transitive. Yes. Here just you have to ask the question, plays what? Plays what? Yes, the piano. So the piano, this is known as, this is object. Okay. The piano, this is known as object. So here the verb will be plays will be called as a transitive verb. Transitive verb. Clear? So you have to make a tick on transitive verb. Then next question here, reading is Diya's hobby. Okay. Here is, here reading is not a verb. Reading is, this is a verb, but used as a noun. This is, non-finite verb. Reading here, this is a subject. This is not a verb here. Okay. Reading is, this is, non-finite verb used as, gerund. Here verb is. This is, verb, and here reading, this is noun. Okay. So, here is verb of action or verb of being. Yes, this is verb of being, not an action. Reading is Diya's hobby. Is here will be considered as verb of being, not verb of action. Here there is no action is being performed. Like India is our country. India is our country. Okay. So here is will be called as verb of action or verb of being. Yes, verb of being, because it indicates a state. There is no action is being performed in this sentence. So here is will be considered as verb of being. Similarly, here is reading is Diya's hobby. Here is will be considered as verb of being. Clear? So as this is an intransitive verb. Okay. Is will be considered as intransitive verb. Then next here, those kids are playing in the rain. So this is a transitive verb or intransitive verb? Yes. Just ask the question. To know the presence of object, yes, we ask the question. Yes. What to the verb? Whom to the verb? So just ask the question. What playing? Playing what? Nothing. So no answer we can get here. Suppose here the question may be asked here, those kids are playing cricket. So here, yes, playing what? Cricket. So here cricket will be called as object, but there is no object. So this will be called as intransitive verb. Which is intransitive verb? Are playing. Clear? Then next question here, the baby was crying all the day. So here was crying. Yes, this is verb of action, because here the action is done by the subject. Okay. So here was crying will be called as verb of action, not verb of being. Clear? Then next question here, the doctor prescribed me these medicines. So yes, prescribed will be here this is known as, yes, verb of action. Here the action is being performed by the subject, the doctor. So this will be called as verb of action, not a verb of being. Clear? Then next here, Rima baked a cake for me. Yes, just you have to ask the question, baked what? Baked what? Yes, cake. For whom? For whom? Me. There are two objects. First, a cake and me. Cake, this is direct object. Me will be considered as indirect object. So yes, this will be transitive verb. Which one is transitive verb? Baked. Clear? Then next one here, please answer the question in 50 words. Yes, here answer, this is verb. Which verb? Transitive verb or intransitive verb? Just you have to ask the question. Answer what? Answer what? Yes, the question. So this will be, yes, here the question, this is known as object. Okay, so here the question, this is object. So here answer will be transitive verb because there is an object. So here the verb will be called as a transitive verb. Clear? Then next year, Swati wants to become a doctor in future. The action is being performed or it indicates a state of, being, verb of being. Here wants, this is, verb of being. Not, this will not be considered as verb of action. I want to be a teacher. I want to be a, yes, teacher. So, here, want, this is not an action. This is, we can say, think, want, know, love, hear, feel. These are, yes, verb of mental activity. So these verbs will be considered as verb of being. Clear? Then next year, write one sentence as an example for each type of adjective. So you have to you have to make one sentence using qualitative adjective, quantitative adjective, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective. So here the first one is quality. So lion, lion is a ferocious animal. Here ferocious is adjective of quality. You have to make a sentence. Okay. Then quantity. Please bring me some water. So quantity, okay. How much? Not how many. How much? Some water. This is adjective of quantity. Okay. Then next here number. There are two types of number: cardinal number and also ordinal number. Okay. So first, second, third, fourth. These are ordinal number. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4. These are cardinal. So you can hear the first one. Okay. First position. This is yes, ordinal, and here 40, this is known as cardinal. So he got the first position in the class. There are 40 students in our class. So this is adjective of number, first and also 40. Okay. The next are demonstrative. So this book belongs to Sam. So here this is known as demonstrative adjective. This book, this, that, those, these are considered as demonstrative. Okay. This book. Then next interrogative adjective. What color do you like? So here what. This is known as interrogative adjective. Okay. Then possessive. Possessive, ownership. He has lost his bag. So here his. This his bag. Whose bag? His bag. So here his. This is known as a possessive adjective. Clear? The remaining parts will be discussed in the next video. So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.